Anyway, guys, it's supposed to thunderstorm this evening, calling for some severe storms, and look how dark it is. The sky is crazy dark right now. I haven't seen it that dark in a while. On the radar, it was looking pretty gnarly as well. It's crazy. It was a hot day today, like 90s. It's supposed to cool down over the next couple days with chances of rain, all of them in the 70s, so that will feel good. Little breezy too, which feels good right now. So you can tell that storm is gonna hit. That is insane.